Hello YouTube, this is a quick update video about my Lada Niva project. In this video I want to show you something about my interior design. Here I have my new dashboard. I made this dashboard with plexiglass. I covered that dashboard console with leather. Here I have second display screen about controller, and I have a car stereo here. This is really uncomfortable while driving because I have to focus on these buttons, so it's a little bit dangerous. So I decided to make a functional steering wheel. How did I do that? First of all, my car stereo has an infrared controller. There is a infrared receiver here, so I simply added infrared LED right here, and I have Arduino Pro Mini controller under that cover. I can volume up, volume down, preview, next. And if I hold this button, it plays and pauses the media. If I hold this button, it mutes the sound. I guess it's quite useful, but this is not the main point about that video. There is no battery inside. I am using it's not finished up. I'm using these wires coming up from the relay, horn relay. When I press horn, it short circuits this Pro Mini for a while. It's not problem. You saw the blink in here, and there is a capacitor here and bunch of diodes to prevent this circuit's spikes, voltage spikes. And I also added L7805 DC-DC voltage regulator to protect circuits a little bit more. And that's all. I don't need batteries. I don't need something else. So I hope this will help someone else. And this is, I guess, really useful for driving. Here I can see myself. See you guys.